Hey guys! Welcome to my video for Spooktober. Video? That sounds weird. But I'll be doing the devil makeup. Get ready with me. I did this for a Halloween party we had at our house and it looked so good. And I was recorded while I was getting ready for that. It took me a total about 40-45 minutes to completely do this look. But clearly you can see I'm fast forwarding it. And I didn't do a talk through with it because it just would have taken too long. And you know when you have a party at home, you're just stressed. Yeah, I was feeling like one of those people. So I just started off with putting some concealer underneath for like dark circles. And then I put my Estee Lauder foundation on. Use my beauty blender. Oh yeah, I mixed a little bit of a lighter foundation in there because I always do that, and just put that all over my face. Blend away. And I just finished blending that away, and then after that I used concealer, I believe. Yep, I used the same concealer that's a lighter shade, quite light, to just brighten under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, and you can see the areas. It's I got this concealer in my Ipsy bag and I really like it. It's like the Shape Tape by Tarte, but not as thick, but it does the job. And then I just used another concealer thing, but that one like really doesn't work, but I just keep trying to use it. I don't know, I think I just got like a defaulted one. And then I use this translucent powder very lightly. I just do it at places that I get oily, which is right, especially my nose. My nose always gets very oily. And then I use a Fit Me powder to just kind of set everything. I always get confused, do I do it before the powder or after? So I think I did after I did my powder, the translucent powder. And then I use my Midnight Banana powder to once again brighten up, and I think this also helps the makeup from wrinkling up as well. So I do that and keep that on for a bit just so it can set into my skin. I think during this time I decided to just check on the lashes I was going to use and trim them up a bit. Make sure to always trim your lashes. It helps a lot. And I hate putting on lashes because I feel like I can never get them on right, but I feel like I'm starting to get a hang of it. The trick is you have to let it dry for quite a bit of time. Once you do that, they'll just stick right on. The problem area for me is always the inner corner. It always lifts up, but I think with practice I'll finally get that down. And then I just brush out my eyebrows. And brush off all of that banana powder. As you can see, you can visibly tell that it got so much brighter. And then I use my Morphe bronzer, which I also got in an Ipsy bag. I really like this. This one is a lot harsher than my Hoola one, which I think would be very fitting for, devil makeup. Devil, demon, whatever you'd like. And then I did a pop-in highlight. Is my Benefit one Sunbeam liquid highlighter, and then I topped it off with powder highlighter on top. That powder one is by Ofra, which I got in my Ipsy bag. The liquid one is by Benefit. I love that one. I've had it for so long. And then you can see I just top it off with the powder highlight. And I found my Benefit little teeny tiny eyebrow thing, which I got in my Ipsy bag. I was so happy because I've been wanting to try this product for so long. It's very nice, but I also feel like it wouldn't be worth me getting the entire thing for such a little amount. But I don't know, maybe I'll give it a go. The best one is the dip brow one. Like, I use a MAC one, but my mom uses that majority of the time, so I just leave it at home. And yeah, and then I'm using my James, what's it called? James Charles palette. You know, the basic one that everyone's been getting. This is like, I love this palette because it has like every color. So I was just doing a black smoky eye. For some reason, I just feel like black just doesn't look dark enough on my skin, which is so surprising because I thought it would look darker. But I just kept trying to pack it on, and it is what it is. And then I used a reddish color on the outer corners. I usually use that type of shade on the inside, like the middle part of my lid, but I decided to do a little different look and just make the entire eye black and then highlight around kind of with a red. I just used a thinner brush. The palette I have in my hand I'm just using for the mirror, and I just spread that black eyeshadow underneath my eyelids to make it darker, which actually was a harsher black than the one on my lid, which is really good, but also just frustrating not to get it to be dark enough on the top lid. And I know you're supposed to use a concealer. I use that for my other makeup tutorial. I have a, what's it called, Scarecrow one. I think I'll upload after this one or before. And it just doesn't work. Maybe I just need a really thick concealer to do it. Maybe. I'm gonna try that to make colors pop out. I just can't make them pop out, and it's very frustrating. Especially when you have a palette like the James Charles one. And here's me. I was just blending away with the red on the out, trying to make it a little bit smoother. If you see me mouthing things, I was listening to music. I think I used a little bit of a shimmery red to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Yeah, I think I did. I don't remember. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm doing. Some type of shiny shadow for that part. So you can see I just continue packing that red on, trying to make the color pop a bit more. A little bit more of the black, because I feel like when you use the outer shade, it like makes the inner one like not as impactful. I don't know, it sounds weird, but I just go over it lightly again for both colors to make them pop out. And then I'm gonna put on my lashes, which is a process, and there's just no point in recording that long process. I think they were popping out from the corners, and I just kind of like was trying to put more glue on, but it never works putting glue on after. And that's just, it was so frustrating. But I think I started getting a hang of it on how to fix a problem. You just have to wait for it to dry quite a bit. Yes, nobody do this at home. I'm using the end of the tiny scissors because they're pointy to push it down. It wasn't that bad, but it was way worse than my other makeup video when I use my lashes. But, you know, it's just gonna take practice. I think I'm just switching through music right now. And then I'm gonna put on eyeliner on top of that and make my wing. I think in a video I have done the wing before and then that's always a good idea too, because it's hard to see the wing part once you put on your lashes. So I think I would recommend putting your eyeliner first and then your lashes and then liner again just on the top part so it looks like it's together. And then I drew these little squiggly line thingies. Kind of looks like your mascara or your eyeliner is running, but I think I gave it a little bit more of a, you know, devilish look. I wanted this to be like obviously a devil look, but also cute. My best friend came down from her college and she was an angel. Angel as in like her costume was an angel, and it was just so much fun. And then I put some bottom liner on my waterline. This is such a good bottom liner, but it runs out. I think it was running out, and it's by It Cosmetics, and I got it in my Ipsy bag. And it's probably too just like not worth the money to spend for me to buy again. And then I just put mascara on top of my lashes and my bottom lashes to mix them up together so they look like, you know, as natural-ish as fake lashes can look. And then I spray on my Mario Badescu spray as my finishing spray. I'm just brushing out my hair, but I'll show you with the horns and stuff. And I straightened my hair a little bit more than it was before, and I put some glitter on top and added my lipstick. I just had to go eat first before putting on lipstick. Yeah, this is the finished look. It's pretty basic, but I really like it. And yeah, so if you guys liked it, make sure you guys like, comment stuff below, subscribe. Bye guys.